This is something that almost never happens in tech. Before DJI has even said a single official word, before a teaser trailer, before a launch date announcement, the DJI Avata 360 is already popping up for pre-order. Yes, you heard that right, live at a US retailer right now. This isn't just rumors anymore. We have surfaced images, full bundle details, and pricing floating online. Suddenly, this drone feels a lot closer than anyone expected. If you've been waiting for something fresh, immersive, and completely unexpected from DJI, this leak is one you need to see. Let's break it down. Pre-orders are live, and stock tracking is active. But here's the catch, this retailer isn't an authorized DJI dealer. That adds risk. We could be looking at gray market units. Some are unsealed, some already activated, and firmware support isn't guaranteed. So before you pull out your credit card, understand the risk. Now, let's talk bundles. First, the base bundle, just the Avata 360 drone, battery, spare props, a USB-C cable, and a small FPV camera protector. No goggles, no controller, no case. This is clearly aimed at existing DJI FPV users who already own goggles or controllers. Next, the standard Fly Smart Combo. This adds DJI goggles, a motion controller, 3 batteries, and charging accessories, a complete out-of-the-box FPV experience. Perfect for beginners who want a smooth first flight without worrying about compatibility. Finally, the Fly More bundle. This is the premium package for serious creators. Multiple batteries, a charging hub, spare props, a hard-carrying case, and the new goggles 3. Designed for long flying sessions, it screams professional use. Pricing? The base bundle is listed around $999, the standard Fly Smart Combo around $1,299, and the full Fly More kit with 3 batteries, goggles 3, and accessories hits $1,799. A serious investment, but it could be revolutionary if the 360 degrees camera is integrated into the FPV system. Think about it. FPV pilots usually have to strap a heavy 360 camera onto the drone, adding weight and reducing battery life. If DJI has built a fully stabilized 360 camera directly into the Avata, this changes the game. You fly and frame your shots in post-production. Cinematic stability meets wild FPV acrobatics. The warning? Do not buy unauthorized pre-orders. Wait for the official launch. You want that warranty and software support. But keep your eyes on this drone, it could redefine FPV filming. Now I want to hear from you. Which bundle would you pick, the bare-bones base, the balanced standard, or the all-in Fly More kit? Drop your choice in the comments and let's see what the community thinks. If you want to stay ahead on this DJI Avata 360 leak, subscribe, share this video, and hit that bell for updates.